Unlock your creativity with Miro. Discover how this powerful collaboration tool can transform your brainstorming sessions, streamline project planning, and enhance team communication with your innovative workflow. So let's dive in. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you how you can use Miro.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Miro.com. This is the homepage. As you can see, we have here welcome to the innovation workspace. So a single AI-powered collaboration platform that helps teams move faster from idea to outcome. So you have just to dive into Miro.com and you will find this page. So the first step that you have to do is we have here the pricing, as you can see. So as you can see, we have here it's for free. Discover what Miro can do for you and your team, always free. We have single workspace with 3 editable boards, share contacts, and save time with 5 talk tracks to give interactive video walkthroughs of your ports. You have a start fast and smart without library of over than 25. You have here 2500 Miro and community made templates. You have you connect existing ways of working to Miro with over than 100 apps and integrations. Then you have a easily bring individuals to a specific area of the board or follow what they do. We have a try Miro EA, and here we have it. So let's come back to the home page to know what is Miro. So Miro is an online collaborative whiteboard platform designed for teams to brainstorm, plan, and visualize ideas in real time. It offers a variety of tools like sticky notes, templates, and drawing features, enabling users to work together regardless of their physical location. So Miro is widely used for project management, design thinking, and agile workflows, making it a versatile tool for enhancing creativity and productivity. So you have just to click over sign up for free and you will find this page and you write your email address. If you have a recommend using your work email, it keeps work and life separate. You can also use other option which is Google, Microsoft, and Slack. I mean. Then we have here you have to check your email and you get started and you sign in. And you have to write your email address and your password. Then you get started with Miro. So for example, I will write password here and then I'll click over continue with your email. So as you can see, here we have the home page. So we have here firstly home, recent, and start. You can search some title or topic if you already did one. So I will show you how you can do that. So here we have test, entitled, and we have a roadmap planning. So then we have here create new. If you want to create a new board, space, and we have import also, explore templates, explore Miroverse also. Then here we have blank board, flowchart, mind map, Kanban framework, and we have query retrospective and intelligent templates. If you are interested of the one of these boards, you can just select it and you get started. So before, let's just know the templates that we have. So once you click over explore templates, you will find this. So as you can see, we have here various templates for me. And then if you want all templates and you select the one you want. Also we have your recent. So we choose the niche that you want, Miroverse, building blocks. We have in the building blocks here sticky notes, mind maps, tables, and slides. And in the Miroverse we have also here icebreakers. And here we have by use case like meetings and workshops, ideation and brainstorming, research and design, agile workflows, strategy and planning, diagramming and mapping. Then we have presentations and slides. As you can see, so we choose the niche that you want and then you get started with the board with your board that you like. So let's click over blank board and you will find other page. So you'll find this page as you can see. So the first step that I have to do is just write a title. So because it's untitled like that, and the word, for example, test like that. And here we have it. So and on the right we have here main menu, so such as board. So if you want a new board, move to other space, and we have here background color. So you can choose dark gray. You can choose gray, light gray, white. Then we have here light blue, light purple, light violet, light pink, light yellow, light green. Choose one you want, so I'll choose light yellow. And then we have here edit. For example, if you want to endo, if you want to riddle, commands, or find, then we have here view, like grid here, like no one here, like grid. And if you want to snake to grid, then we have your preference, like mouse strap. You have your auto direct, mouse strap, and we have other options here as you can see. And in the right, in the left, we have your change down below, as you can see. So we choose, for example, this one, as you can see. For example, this one, and there we have it. And in the sticky note here, for example, you click over sticky note, and you have your text, shapes and lines, and we have here pen. We have your frame, stickers, emojis, and gifs. You have your tools, media, and integration. If you want to endo, riddle also, and then you get started with it. Here we have also activity, and we have facilitation tools and directions. Then you have here my count, and if you want to share this. Then if you want to zoom also, and if you want to also zoom out and zoom in. As you can see, for example, choose this one or this one. Then we have here also pin map, fit to screen, under full screen, and also we have here if you want to just help our, for example, send feedback, help center, learning center, what's new, and we have keyboard shortcuts. Then here we have in the left frames, for example, you click over this one, and you will find also here layers. So you choose the one you want, and you click over new layer like that. And above frames, it's look like that, and you click over create new frames. So Miro is a powerful online collaboration tool that enhances teamwork and creativity. Its intuitive features support brainstorming, planning, and project management, making it essential for effective remote and hybrid work. By using Miro, teams can streamline processes and boost productivity, transform their collaborative efforts. So this is how it works with Miro.com. You can just get started right now. You can just dive into Miro.com and you'll find the homepage, and then you click over sign up for free and you start with inscription. So it's absolutely for free. Once you click over pricing, you'll find it's for free. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.